IT Conductor. Today we are looking at SAP Basis Automation, and the topic is on-demand reporting. Essentially, the challenge is to generate a performance report on demand and deliver via email or download. Here an example of a performance overview, or it could be any chart in IT Conductor that you can look and export or download or generate a report that will be delivered via email. So in this example, we will create a report. This is an ECC performance overview report of a system. We can enter the name and the description of the report that's going to be generated. Pick the output type. For the first example, we will do PDF report. We also support HTML report. For the legend, we can pick where we want to put the legend on the chart. In this case, we'll do bottom. For the time scale of each interval, in this case we want to do hourly, and the range of the time that we want to report for. Let's do it for yesterday. We support many different time range. Delivery target will specify where the report would be delivered to, and here the message format will pick HTML for the reporting, and any comments you want to put in the description of the actual delivery report itself. So as an example, we just type in something here, and it's an ECC performance overview report for yesterday example. Create the report. Once that has been created, it's been submitted to the system for processing, and the report will be available via the My Objects menu under My Report. Here we have the list of reports that we've generated, and this one shows the status of starting, and if we refresh, it should go to in progress, and after a little while refresh, and once it's completed, we can look at the report. As far as downloading it via the menu here, you can download the report, save it as a PDF on a file system, and open it up. Here we go. There's a report that's in PDF. Now at the same time, the report itself, because we specify who to deliver to, in this case myself, it's gone to the email specified by my ID, and checking the email, we're able to open up the report with the attachment in PDF. So this could go to yourself. And here's the next topic: to save and export a chart. So in IT Conductor, if you see any chart that you like, for instance this is an ECC HANA availability chart, we can go and look at the chart in terms of the periodic that we want to generate the information for. In export graph data, we can support export to either image or CSV file if you want the data for charting in Excel. The output type there you can pick, as well as the step in the number of steps that you want to take in terms of days, the range, and here we pick image, which will be a PNG image. We can also select the time range for the report, or you can specify custom. So here let's just do this month to date, so that's a common format. Once we generate that, it's going to export a image. You can save onto the file and open up with any image viewer you can see. So here we can see a daily report of availability for this particular system. Next up is to generate a dynamic HTML report. So another popular format is HTML, so we can deliver that as a HTML report in your email. Again, we access the report creation from the report that you're looking to generate. Type in the report name and the description. Here, just give it a description that's meaningful, and put a report type output. Pick the HTML. On the legend there, pick where you want to have the legend in the report. In this case, bottom. The time scale here also we will do hourly, and for example, in fact we'll do day for the actual availability report. Look at month to date. Again, here we can pick the delivery target. It could be a group or could be an individual if you define. Message delivery format will be HTML, and here you can describe what the report is that somebody is gonna get, either yourself or a group or a recipient. So just an example, we'll just put in some comments, and once we're done with that, we can click the create button, and that should save the report. Once it's been submitted, again it goes into the queue for processing, and the report once delivered to your email address. And the report is dynamic, which means you can click on the HTML and we will launch into a web browser where IT Conductor will show you the report. And here again you can navigate as usual. Thank you. Now, next topic is to rerun a report. So you have already report created. You can access your reports, and instead of creating the report again, you can refresh or rerun the report, which in general will generate the report with fresh data. If you haven't specified a fixed date, it will create, for instance, month to date for the current month, and there you just simply click that button and it will refresh, generate a new execution of the report. It will also deliver to the recipient that was specified on the report definition. Here's an example here. That same report got generated an email to us. So just like that, we've automated reporting on demand. Thank you, and visit us on IT Conductor for following topics on automation. Bye bye.